This content is intended for adult audiences and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended for viewers under 18 without parental supervision and may contain harsh or graphic language, sensitive topics, and disturbing imagery. Viewers' discretion is strongly advised. So this is just us being nosy, reporting live from somebody else's business. We did the research so you don't have to. We hope this finds you well. Let us begin. Back in October of 1970, Kingston was gripped by a bizarre apparition. A three-wheeled coffin rolling through town, unaccompanied, unacclaimed. Atop, it perched three John Crows, calling out for a Mr. Brown. The story exploded across Kingston Street, Spanish Town, and Maxfield Park. Witnesses described a human-sized coffin with two rear wheels and one in front, moving as if guided by invisible hands. Police reports mentioned one officer who allegedly shot at it collapsed afterwards. Hundreds chased the ghostly hearse, but no one could catch it. One clear account came from a 16-year-old schoolgirl from St. Peter's Clavel Primary. She described the crows.
Two in black coats. One small crow in red. The red one even apologized after rolling over a boy's foot.
Yet, the school principal later denied any official sight. The story didn't just vanish. It inspired the Whaler song, Mr. Brown, written by Glenn Adams and produced by Lee Perry. Lyrics describe a ghostly hearse, police raids, and crows, chauffeur driven around, a cultural echo of mass hysteria. Some believe this was witchcraft, a curse sent by someone named, well, let's not mention it here, but it was to terrify Mr. Brown, who had wronged him. Others say it was a mass prank, or folklore born from fear. Interestingly, this coffin-wheeled duppy story mirrors wider Caribbean folklore. You know, moving coffin, restless spirits, duppies roaming the night. So, was it real? A supernatural prank? Maybe something from the Twilight Zone? No clear evidence. Just hundreds of sworn testimonies, a faint police log, and a haunting song. It remains one of Jamaica's most enduring mysteries. So today, we look back not just on the scare, but on how belief, fear, and folklore can shape a community. From Kingston to Mandeville, the three-wheeled coffin still lurks in local memories. We want to thank you for listening and watching to Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe to stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe, peace.